Speaking in English, huh? We should be speaking in English, huh? No, actually, I'm kind of, sick of my hair. Is it? I didn't do anything. I just wore a cap, then ganito na siya. I believe this is going to be, or so far it has been my shortest ever since I debuted. Bah, kasi, um, yeah, I think so. My red hair was actually annoying na. Yung ano niya, yung partition niya, hirap na. Anong favorite color ko is red. Ash gray. Pwede naman. I mean, dito ko pala ginawa yung get right. If I'm gonna live somewhere, I'm gonna live like iba for if not in the Philippines, I'll to have ano eh. Pero alam mo yun, parang maganda lang yung parang iba yung ginagawa. May bahay lang dito. Pero sa Pilipinas pa din. Still bright there. Oo, kahit 7:30 p.m. na, ano. Mamaya-maya 8 na. Taas pa rin ang araw. Siguro that's what's good about here. Lalo na pag mga shoot. Yung mga shoots dito, what like, for example, when I did my music video, um, spent so much time that it didn't matter kung medyo late na kasi at least the sun was still up. So we can maximize, di ba? Everything. Visit Philippines. Mga buang. Lagi sila ganyan kaikling air. Well, didn't have a choice. What's your go-to food? I like Cane's and In-N-Out. Pero we went to McDonald's syempre earlier. Ninang McDo, baka naman. McDo, syempre doon tayo sa wala sa Pilipinas. Yung McDonald's. Pero Cane's, isa sa mga gusto ko dito. But I would die to have rice right now. Oh my God. Kasi gusto ko talaga ng kanin, pre. Gusto ko ng kanin, man. Um, I'm not complaining about the food here. It's just that syempre, I'm used to eating a lot of, when trying to, siguro, trying to bulk or trying to fill my calories. I'm used to eating rice. It's so hard because bread isn't siguro my preference when it comes to ano talaga, carbs. I mean, I love burgers, but I can't do burgers every day. Chipotle, yeah, I know Chipotle, pero matagal-tagal na nga, no? Ever since na hindi ko na-try. Hmm, ito't nagka-calorie deficit ka. Pero nasobrahan na kasi wala akong tulog recently. So, sobrang payat ko naman. Before, dati nagka-calorie deficit ako. Pero iba yung pag nagbabag ka. So, depende. Kasi pag nagbubuhat ako, dun ako kumakain ng marami. And right now, nagbubuhat tayo. Pero kulang na kulang tayo sa tulog, which is not good. Kulang na kulang tayo, guys. Gawa tayo straight, boss. What do you mean by straight? Sleep. Hindi. Punta ako ng family ko. Tonight, kain kami. Then work. Then repeat. Usually naman ganun. Ganda lang dito sa sa bintana. Ang mura na sasakyan dito. So for the people here in LA, see you all tomorrow. Alam ko yung mga tickets dito mabibilis na sold out. And I hope we can get a bigger venue next time. Pero it's still worth it kasi I'm gonna all see you. And that's what matters, diba? Besides, there might be a lot of opportunities here. Or, and syempre, seeing you all tomorrow. Yung ano natin, makapag-celebrate tayo. Oh! Mexican bigla, eh, no? Sleeping pills, melatonin, I've tried everything, pero iba talaga. Um, kailangan ko, kailangan ng peace of mind. I feel like peace of mind na kailangan ko. Hindi yung mga, di ba patay hair mo? Di, bago yan eh, maikli na eh, so hindi yan patay. Magulo lang today. Hindi I didn't do anything. Pagtas ko maligo, nilagyan ko na ng, mas matuyo na siya ng kapa ko. And then that's it. Diba? Naingit ako sa mga nakasasakyan dito, guys. What I like about here in America, they're very confident na pwede sila mag-rev. Pwede kayong mag-drive ng mabilis. I mean, there are laws, of course. I mean, pero mataas yung speed limit nila dito and hindi kayo matatakot na bila-bila may tatawid, ganun. Here, sa mga ano naman, sa mga, syempre, highways and um, iba sa New York kasi dikit dito doon. Yun sa mga downtown. Pero at least sa mga ganitong lugar, pwedeng pwede. Ay, Josh, see you in Guys, kung pasali kayo sa Limbo, suggestion na naman ako ng ng, ng TikTok trends na medyo madali lang. Kasi ano eh, mga lumalabas sa newsfeed ko puro either mga games, self-help, mga ganun eh. Or about the things that I've been learning to do eh. Wala na masyado yung mga trends na TikTok. Yun, medyo ano lang, bumata ka lalo sa New Year style mo. Bata naman talaga ako. Mhm. Sana rin namumuno ako ngayon. Just can we unlock a streak? What do you mean by that? Anong streak? How do you do that? You go live? Ano, every time, ganun. Hope you all are doing great. Hope you all are fine. Sana lahat kayo okay. And for the people here in America, see you all sa mga stops and of course in Canada. Yun lang, nangangamusta lang. Eh, nanghihingi ng TikTok trends kasi medyo kanina pa ako nag-scroll nung nasa ano, biyahe kami pero nahirapan ako maghanap. Nails. Here are my nails. Well, yeah, I have exclusive merch for Limbo subscribers pala. So, ayun, it's called the wifey shirt para sa mga nandoon. And sold out, yes, sold out na lahat ng merch. Pero yung wifey merch, ilalabas pa lang. And, ayun, unahan na lang kayo. Alam niyo na yan, kaya niyo na yan. Hindi ko na masyado sasabihin yun. Pero, normally, ano naman, nag-a-announce naman kami beforehand pag doon sa loob, pag mag-release kami. Usually exclusive lang. Sorry, anong limbo? Limbo is, how do I say this? Ang exclusive safe space ng mga, well, I'd say people who wants to interact with me or want to have a community. Siyempre yung 18, usually kasama na sila, may mga, di ba, parang public groups, ganyan. Pero Limbo is my own community that I made. So, ayun, I'm more active there than the outside world. Uh, I post contents, exclusive contents. But, yung pinaka-importante yung may community. And then, yeah, marami akong inaano doon, pino-post doon more than outside. Tapos ano pa ba? Ayun, mga unreleased songs. Then we have our own Discord server. But ayun, you have to be part of it. You have to subscribe first. Where did the name Limbo come from? Uh, kasi yun yung ano eh, di ba? Yun yung parang kawalan. It's close to void, being the void. Pero, siguro inspiration ko about Limbo is, naalala ko kasi yung, when I was playing, Devil May Cry, so napupunta siya sa Limbo. Pag mapupunta sa limbo, dun yung parang other part or yung parang meron sa Marvel, 'di ba, yung multiverse. So, yun yung alternate universe ni Dante and other monsters there. So, parang double-edged sword siya na pag nandun ka, marami kang magagawa, marami kang masosolve, but at the same time, parang may mga missions ka na or mga challenge na mahirap din. Pero yun, hindi ko alam yung straight na sinasabi nyo. Yes, if you can get top wifey badges naman sa Facebook. Or, salamat. Mga nanonood. See you all next time. Magnesium. Yeah, I might need magnesium. I'm trying to live healthy. Healthier. Hirap lang. Iba rin pag sabay-sabay. Lasing. Who would say that, di ba? Pero yan, pag ang part kayo ng limbo pa, suggest ako ng TikTok trend naman, no? Try kong gawin. Maybe today, tomorrow, o kahit kailan. Thank you. Good night. Ay, good night. Yeah. Morning sa Pilipinas, pero dito, night time. Kung nasan man kayo ng parte ng mundo, I have to see you all. Napapa-shopping ako dito, grabe. Laki na ng gastos ko, but it's worth it. Na-realize ko hindi ako gumagastos masyado sa sarili ko. I'm gonna make most out of it. Shopping lang ng shopping. Okay lang yung deserve it. Yan, ganyan. Tayo mang gaslight sa sarili natin, no? Deserve na deserve ko kahit wala ng, pero hindi, promise, naman, hindi ko talaga masyadong nililibre yung sarili ko. Ewan ko, hesitant ako dati, pero ngayon, kahit pa paano, medyo confident ako. Ayun. Siguro kasi, before ako nag-invest sa mga gamit, nag-invest muna ako sa knowledge ko. Ayun, I think I'm more confident now. Ano yung vitamins daw? Ano yan? Drink your vitamin C every day. Drink your vitamins every day. Bye-bye. Night. Josh, can we see your hair? Yan yung hair ko. Ayun daw. Bye-bye.